Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a RAM steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment. After disconnecting, wait at least 30 minutes for the airbag system's capacitors to fully discharge. Also, ensure your steering wheel and front wheels are perfectly straight. Remember to ground yourself to the vehicle's metal to avoid any static discharge when handling electrical components. Next, we'll detach the airbag module. Rotate the steering wheel to the 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock position to access the two 10mm bolts located on the back. Once these bolts are removed, carefully pull the airbag module away from the wheel. You will then see several electrical connectors. Gently disconnect these. Pay attention, as airbag connectors are typically color-coded and uniquely keyed, preventing incorrect reinstallation. With the airbag safely set aside, it's time to address the main steering wheel retaining nut. First, ensure your steering wheel is locked in the straight-ahead position. You'll typically need a 13mm or 15/16 socket for this. Use a breaker bar to loosen the nut, as it can be quite tight. It's important not to remove the nut completely at this stage. Leave it threaded on by a few turns. This prevents the wheel from suddenly flying off when it breaks free. Now for the final removal. With the center nut partially on, gently rock the steering wheel side to side while pulling towards you. It should eventually slide off the splines. If it's stubborn, a steering wheel puller can be used. Before completely removing the wheel, disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, especially those for the clock spring. Crucially, mark the steering wheel's position relative to the steering column shaft to ensure perfect alignment during reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.